this video, I am going to show you how to create a before and after effect in CapCut Pro. Let's take these two videos as an example. To start, drag the before clip onto the timeline first, followed by the after clip. Now let's add the transition effect. Tap on the Transitions tab and use the search bar to find the then and now transition. Select it and apply it between the before and after clips on the timeline. To make the transition smoother, adjust its duration. A longer duration creates a gradual effect, while a shorter one makes the switch quicker. Preview your video to ensure the effect looks seamless. When you're satisfied with the result, tap the Export button to save your final video. And that's it. Thanks for watching.